Today we bought this mobile in Flipkart for 7,500, and this is Nokia 5.1 plus. And okay, today now we're gonna unbox this. Okay, here this is the brand new phone that what we have bought here. Let's take out the box. Here's the mobile box, and this is what we have bought from the Flipkart. And let's open the box and we'll see what the content they have been given inside. See, this is the handset. This is the handset they have given. This is a brand new 5.1 plus. We have brought this in Flipkart for 7,500, and it was in sale. It was a good phone, so I wish everyone to buy it, so who are willing to buy. And here are some paperwork. Okay, here are some paperwork. This is a get started guide, and this is a product and safety information, and this is just a small paperwork. Okay, and we'll see what is inside. And here is the charger, and it is 5-volt 2 ampere charger. I think this is not a fast charge. Okay, and here we have a Type-C cable, and I think this Type-C cable. Okay, and here are the Nokia headphones. Okay, let's keep the box aside and we will see what about the headset. Unfortunately, they have not given any mobile case in this box, so that's one of the defect from Nokia. Okay, this is a new Nokia handset, and see, it's this build finish is very good, and this was one of the best mobile. It was very nice. Okay, let's switch on this. Okay, see here, this is a new Nokia 5.1 plus. It comes with a notch and 5.8 inch screen, and there's a black glass finish over the back, and we have a dual camera, and we have a fingerprint sensor over here, and it was open. Okay, I will just quick start the mobile phone. We just started our phone, and we will go what's inside, and we'll see. And here is this the new phone, and this is the 5.1 plus, and this is the basic thing, the menu. And let's see how the camera is. Okay, I think the camera is very good. This is very nice, and we have some portrait, and we have two cameras, we have portrait also in this. This is we brought this phone in Flipkart. It's worth of 7,500 using the bank offers. So I think this is the best mobile to buy in this sale. And we have another phone also, that is called Nokia 6.1, which is getting it for 7,000. I think that is also a good phone to worth to buy for 7,000. But we have brought this 5.1 plus. This is also very good. So thank you for watching.